sabi mo nga kanina, who said that? Denzel Washington?
Yes.
Ang sabi niya ay?
Ang sabi nga niya is, ang TV and ang film is a director's medium, pero ang stage is an actor's medium.
Yan.
So, basically, dahil hindi ko pa nagagawa yun, hindi pa kompleto.
I think the theater would welcome a Paulo Contis anytime.
I hope.
Pero, Pau, pag-usapan natin yun. You're one of the most brilliant actors. How much of this is learned and how much of this is inborn?
Oh, I think yung ang inborn lang siguro sa akin yung kapal ng mukha siguro na.
Pero malaking bagay yan.
I wasn't scared of the camera. Talagang when I was young, hindi ako pinilit, gusto ko talaga gusto kong matuto. And then learned is 90% yan tingin ko. Kasi nasa process pa rin ako nung learning, of course.
From co-actors, from directors,
from co-actors, diba? From your mistakes sa acting. Makikita mo naman once you watch it. Diba? So, tuloy-tuloy na learning dapat yan.
Pero iba daw talaga tumitig ang isang aktor. I remember again that story, Viola Davis, na pag tinitingnan daw siya ni Meryl Streep, parang ninanakaw ang buong pagkatao niya.
Yes.
You're very observant. I noticed that with you. Ikaw ba pag nanonood, halimbawa sa Bubble Gang and in all the materials that you do, is that what you do? I mean, you observe people, how they move, paano?
Yes, lahat.
Is that your
ko lahat
process?
yung mali, ino-observe ko lahat ng tama. I tell my co-actors kung ano yung tingin kong mali, and I want them to do the same.
Sa iyo?
Yes, sa akin. Kasi, of course, you have to learn from the best. Pag like, say, kay Bitoy, tinitingnan ko kung paano niya ginagawa, paano yung process. Especially, I'm very lucky na kakwarto ko si Bitoy, So kapag may sinusulat siya, bigla siyang may naisip, makikinig ka talaga di ba? I mean, swerte lang din ako na sa mga nakatrabaho ko, walang selfish. No, they're very generous sa learning sila. And that's what I'm doing now.
Okay. And you mentor, I know you share a lot.
Yeah,
with co-actors. Ano yung pinakamahirap? The hardest thing about being an actor?
I think we all have our off days. Diba? And sometimes,
anong ibig sabihin nun?
May mga oras na hindi mo kayang umarte. Hindi sa lahat ng panahon magaling ka. And hindi naman alam ng tao yun. Diba? Minsan pag pinapanood mo, ang banu ko dito. Alam mo, because it was a bad day. And then, recorded na yun. So you just have to move on from that.
On film, how daring, how brave are you? Meaning, diretsa, would you do frontal nudity on film?
On film?
Oo. I mean, ang given... Hindi. Halimbawa... Pau, halimbawa, konteksto. Parang equus, ika nga. Di ba?
Wow!
Di ba? May mga material, halimbawa, na kailangan gawin. Hindi ako masyado masaya sa tanong na ito, but, there is no shorter way to ask...
I think... hindi ako pwede magsalita ng tapos.
Correct.
But pag equus, I would love to. Alam mo yan, merong isang proyekto na sisira ng lahat ng
konsiderasyon.
Konsiderasyon at inhibitions mo.
Diba?
Magkakaroon yan. And yes, hindi pa dumarating yon, pero pag dumating yon, I really wouldn't know. But hindi ako magsasalita ng tapos.
Ang ganda nun. Because that says a lot.
Yes.
I mean, about your openness as an actor.